In-demand freelance job for beginners in 2025? Eto yun. Social media management. Bakit siya in-demand? Siyempre, di ba? Ngayon, lahat ng business kailangan ng online presence. However, hindi lahat naman ng owners may time para i-manage yun. Kung may mga kilala kayong business owners dito sa Pilipinas, maybe yung cafe dyan sa kanto nyo, tapos alam nyo na yung owner ang nagmamanage nung social media ng account nila. Hindi masyadong usual yan sa abroad. Kasi usually talaga ay nag-hire sila ng isang social media manager from a third world country para hindi na sila required para i-manage yung sarili na social media, nakamura pa sila. Kasi syempre mas mura yung labor dito sa atin, di ba? That's why social media management is an in-demand job for beginners this 2025. Bakit ko naman sinabing beginner-friendly? Kasi basic skills lang yung kailangan dito. Basic content editing, content ideation, na lahat naman ay may mga online tools na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo. Content creation, for example, siguro naman marunong kang mag-Canva. O kung hindi marunong mag-Canva, napaka-beginner-friendly ng Canva, simulan mo ng aralin. Pangalawa, AI, ChatGPT for ideation. Ilagay mo lang kay ChatGPT or kay Gemini kung anong klaseng business yung meron yung client na yon. At sabihin mo kay ChatGPT to help you for content ideation. Meaning, ano yung mga content ideas na pwede mong i-post doon sa account ni client. What else? Basic skills like post scheduling. Ang kailangan mo lang malaman ay ano yung mga post scheduler na pwede mong pag-aralan as a social media manager. One is Hootsuite, Buffer, Later, at napakarami pang iba. Kasi hindi mo naman talaga kailangan maging expert. Your unfair advantage is you have extra time, hindi gaya ng business owner na busy, and be 5 to 7 steps ahead of them. Kasi wala na nga silang time para pag-aralan pa yung mga bagay-bagay na yan. In-demand jobs, but would require just basic skills of content creation in Canva, content ideation using ChatGPT, maybe a bit video editing in CapCut, and understanding post-scheduling tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, Later, at marami pang iba. But those three are my top for now. Meron pang mga Metricool at marami pang iba. So again, basta resourceful ka, willing ka mag-aral, and be consistent about it, kayang-kaya mo yan. At magkano pwede mong kitain as a social media manager? I started in 2016, $10 per hour ako as a social media manager. But since hindi na ako ngayon nag-work ng hourly rate, per project basis na ako, so I charge premium. At paano mo naman matutunan yon?